In a world where every face tells a story, sometimes the most intriguing tales come from the most unexpected places. Imagine this, nestled in the bustling heart of a city, a quaint little society lined with apartment blocks, each bearing witness to a myriad of lives and their untold stories. Enter Sudha, a young mother, and her husband Mohan, living their ordinary life with their 1.5-year-old son, Manu. One day, Sudha notices an elderly man, a new resident in the opposite building, who seems to be constantly observing her from his balcony. Sudha's discomfort grows with each passing day, culminating in her suspicion that the old man was secretly photographing her. Mohan, initially dismissive of Sudha's concerns, is riled up when he learns about the photograph incident. Determined to confront the old man, they leave their toddler Manu with their maid Rama and march towards the man's apartment. As the door swings open to their knock, they are greeted with a warm smile from the elderly man. Invited into a dimly lit room, they find an old woman lying on a bed, her words incomprehensible. As the old man switches on the light, they see the room simple and clean. The old man, sitting by the woman's side, explains. The woman on the bed, his wife, had been bedridden for the past year. The unintelligible words were her way of asking about their little child, Manu. The old man then reveals something that leaves Mohan and Sudha speechless. The previous day, he had shown his wife a photograph of their son, Manu. The sight of the child had brought joy to his wife's eyes. She had found a resemblance in Manu to their own granddaughter, whom they fondly called Angel. Pointing towards a picture on the wall, the old man introduces Sudha and Mohan to their daughter-in-law and granddaughter, their Angel. Sudha, taken aback, acknowledges the uncanny resemblance between their children. The old man, with a twinkle in his eyes, agrees. In the end, what seemed like a tale of discomfort and suspicion turned into a story of shared joy and unexpected connections. Sometimes life has its unique way of weaving stories, connecting strangers, and reminding us of the humanity we all share. This, my friends, is one such story.